Guess what? The day has finally arrived. Today is the perfect day to be in the yard and gardens. I'm off work. The weather is beautiful. We haven't had a day this nice in months. The temperature has dropped. The humidity is not strangling us. We've had some rain, so the ground is going to be a lot easier to dig in. But guess what? I don't have any money left in the budget for plants. What am I going to do? I have an idea. Hey, this is Patty. Yes, I'm fine. How are you? You remember back several months ago, you said that you would share some of your forsythia that's growing in your yard? Okay, well, I think today would be a great day to come and dig some of that up so I can put it in my yard. What do you think about that? All right, then. I'll be there in a little bit with my shovel. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. And it's as easy as one phone call. Now, why don't you come with me as I go to my gardener friend's house and dig up some of their plants to bring back to mine. It'll be a great day. Here I am at my friend's house, and this is her forsythia. It is huge, and I don't think that she will miss any of it. In fact, I could probably take more of this than I even know what to do with. But I'm just going to get as much as I need. And one good thing about this is the deer don't mess with that. I got some of this in the fall. No, it was early spring. I got some of this in the early spring, and the deer have eaten everything all around the forsythia, but they've left this alone. So that's another good thing about this. It's going to be free, and the deer won't eat it. Just got to get the shovel in there, and it's really full, so it's kind of hard to see where I'm digging, and I probably, of course, don't have on the right digging shoes. don't don't look too close at my feet. I've got gardener feet. That's not real attractive. I'm about to get it. All right, I got it. I think I can. Well, I think I've got 2 new plants now. I'm excited. Here I am at another friend's house, and once upon a time they told me that I could dig as many of these canna lilies as I wanted. So here I am. I'm taking them up on their offer, and I have just the place where I'm going to put these. And lucky for me, these are sort of easy to dig, I think. And also lucky for me, some of y'all may think it's unlucky, but they multiply like crazy. So before you know it, I'll have enough to share with y'all. This is my haul for the canna lilies. And another good thing about these is, well, besides being free to me, the deer have not bothered the ones that I have at my house already. So hopefully they won't bother these either. Here I am at my friend Andy Holliday's house, and she told me that we could dig up some of these irises. She said that they hadn't been divided in a while, and so they hadn't bloomed very well. So in order for them to, continue to bloom and be as pretty as they can be, you have to divide them. So I'm fortunate that she needs to divide them, and she's going to let me take a few of them. So, Andy Holliday, what do you know about the irises?
Well, I know we've got a couple that bloom in the spring, and we've got like 3 different colors of them. We got some pink, we got some blue, or no, not blue, purple.
Yeah.
And then they're so pretty. I just love when they bloom.
Yes, they are so pretty. And I only have one iris in my whole yard, but this summer, early summer, when it bloomed, it was beautiful, and I thought, oh, I want to have so many more of those. But let's see what we've got here. Yep, there's the tuber thing and roots, and so I think that if we can just make our way around this little bed, we will be able to divide them and replant them. And now, one thing that I have heard about irises is that when you plant them, you don't bury them real deep, because if you bury them too deep, they won't bloom. Have you heard that too?
I have.
Okay, good. Well, keep me straight about them, because... And I saw some pictures of yours when they did bloom, and they were beautiful.
They are really pretty. I love when they bloom. It just makes our front yard look much more vibrant.
Yes. And I'll try to get a picture and add it to the end of this video so folks can see just how pretty they're going to be.
All right.
Oh, yeah. See, like that one has multiplied already, and it has another one growing off of it. So they will, and there's some more in the ground there, I believe. So we'll just keep on doing this and see what we have in the end.
All right. We've got these little babies right here, but we won't know what color they will be until the spring when they surprise us. They could be blue, they could be purple, they could be white, they could be peach, they could be a hybrid of all those colors. So we have no clue until they surprise us.
Ooh, how much fun will that be? I can't wait. Look, here's some right here. So they're just, I think they're all in this bed. You're a lucky girl.
And right here we've got a tuber, and we've got another one, a baby one, growing right off of it. So we've got not one, but 2.
Look, this was just right under the surface of the soil. And look, 1, 2, 3, 4.
And they are FREE with just a little bit of sweat equity.
Exactly. My favorite kind. All right, here's Andy Holliday doing her part of unveiling the irises. All right, what you got? Oh, yeah. Oh, look. I think there's some more under there. We can dig it up and probably replant it, and it'll grow too.
All right.
Good job. Look at there.
Ooh.
Irises everywhere. It's like an egg hunt.
It is.
These are better than Easter eggs to me, though.
They're much prettier.
When they're blooming, they are. Look at there.
That's a lot of them.
I know. You didn't know that you had this many irises, did you?
I did not.
This one looks like a carrot almost. What a fun day.
It is.
Look, and see, they're just right under the soil.
There's just a billion of them all right there.
I hope so. Thank you for sharing with me.
Anytime.
Here's one that has a little, yeah, I think I'm going to have to get the shovel on that one. The shovel hit it. But it'll continue to. Oh, might need the shovel for that. Yeah, I think that's where they're really kind of thick, is in there. See, like that little piece right there will more than likely grow a whole new plant.
All right.
Tree. Yeah, so I think that's one good thing about irises, is they're just, you know, right kind of on the surface of the soil, so you don't have to do a whole lot of digging to plant them or to divide them. So that's a positive.
It is, and now we can spread them all out and have lots.
Exactly.
Oh, here's a pair of scissors.
Oh, I love finding treasures like that.
It's a treasure hunt.
Yeah, when I started making flower beds at my house, I found all kinds of toys and treasures that my little boys had left out under the trees and stuff. That one.
It's a big one.
It is. I think this might be a good one. Oh. Uh-oh. I hope I don't get your lantana.
Maybe I feel a little sprinkle or something. Y'all feel it?
Oh my gosh, this one, this is going to be a big one.
I'm ready.
Ooh. Look at there. Pretty little babies, what that is. Pretty. Well, this is the haul from today's free iris dig that Andy Holiday let me do at her house. And I appreciate it, girl.
Anytime.
Yeah, now if you want to come home with me and help me plant all these, well, that'd just be awesome too.
I will.
Okay, well, I know you probably have cheer practice or something, so.
I do.
Yeah. All right. Well, it's been a fun day, and I will keep y'all informed of what we do with all these.
All right. Take home those irises, plant them, make them pretty.
I will, girl. Thank you.
Anytime.
Gardening can be expensive, but it doesn't have to be. If you're in the predicament like I was today, it was a beautiful day. I wanted to be outside doing something, but I had no money for plants. I called upon my friends who were willing to share with me, and I know that in the future, I'll be willing to share back with them. So, if you take anything from this video today, just know that gardeners are a sharing kind of people, and we love to share our wealth with others when it comes to plants. Y'all have a good day. Oh, and another thing I was going to say, those plants that I dug up today and took to my house, they were free, F-R-E-E, just like my YouTube channel is. So why don't y'all subscribe? I'd appreciate that so much. Thank you. Y'all enjoy your day.